Hi guys, I'm Aishin. Welcome to my channel. If you're not living under a rock, you must have heard of the ongoing Clubhouse craze. If you are curious about the house of the skyrocketing app, keep on watching this video. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get it started. So, what is Clubhouse? Basically, it's an application where you can talk or listen to people or topics of your interest. You can create rooms and call the people you follow into your room to gather more people by pinging them. On the timeline, you see rooms when someone you are following is in that room, either as a speaker or a listener. And if you want to be a speaker to share your thoughts or just to chat, there's a hand sign at the bottom right corner. When you click on it, the moderators of the room receive a notification about your request. Upon their approval, you can be a speaker. Okay, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this app. Is it good? Is it bad? Should I use it or should I not? Is it a waste of time, or what kind of benefit can I take from this? Okay, I will start with the pros. Firstly, you can promote your business. It can be your YouTube channel, the services you are giving, or your e-commerce website, I don't know, anything you have. Or let's say you can introduce your business to other people, to many people. There are plenty of founders, entrepreneurs, investors, and C-level executives here. And guess what? They are all here to listen to you, and better than that, some are willing to support you with your initiative. How good is that? If you have a business that you want to grow, you should chase these kind of rooms where you can promote your business. To give an example, I was in a room where social media experts were commenting on the participants' YouTube channels. There is nothing like a good piece of advice. Secondly, it's great for networking. If you work in a business where you need people around you all the time, here's your chance. In Clubhouse, you get to meet people with common profession or a special interest, and you can exchange information or ideas with them. Next thing is, you can meet anyone from famous TV stars to internet celebrities, or from politicians to world-famous business people. Even if you can't talk to them directly, you get to listen to their stories and advices. For example, in the last weeks, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg were speakers in a room. So many people rushed to the application that it almost crashed, but I will talk about this later. Free webinars. The platform is full of speakers, enthusiasts, founders. Those are the kind of people who are willing to share their experiences with you. Those people schedule meetings or rooms, whatever you call it. They share and exchange their knowledge. Apart from the business-related benefits, there is also a social side to it. For example, you can meet new people, you can have new friends. It is that easy to make friends on this app. That easy. Or lastly, you can simply chit-chat with your existing friends. Let's move on to the cons. Well, once you're in, you're in. There is no way out. You really need to control your time, or else you can find yourself spending your whole day here. Another con is the rooms can have up to 5,000 participants. So if you're looking forward to someone like Elon Musk to speak in a room, you really need to prepare yourself because it will be tough to get in the room. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, when Elon Musk came to talk, it caused such a rush that there were interruptions in other rooms when people were speaking. Well, technically it didn't crash, but I think there may be some enhancements here. Another thing is, there are some concerns on lack of privacy, but we all use smartphones. Who are we kidding? What is privacy? Well, it's still a very young application, so I believe they are making and probably will be making improvements on it, especially on privacy matters. Finally, it can drain your battery real quick, but I think that's a problem of 5 years ago. Well, I think that's everything I can think of, so let's talk about how to sign up.
One of the many reasons this app got so popular is probably that you can only get in through an invitation. Well, if you are looking for an invitation, it's your lucky day because I'm giving away 5 invitations to 5 random people. All it takes is a like and a subscribe. Also, make sure to send me an email about your request so that I know that you want an invitation. You can find my email address in the description below. And if you still can't find an invitation, you can go sign up with your phone number and it takes you on a wait list. Users who have your phone number in their contact list will receive a notification about your request. They can either approve you into the app or ignore it. The bad thing is, we never know who ignored us. So, now that you're in, try to follow as many people and clubs as you can to get the best of Clubhouse. By the way, a reminder, as I'm making this video, Clubhouse is only available for iOS devices, but hopefully soon it will be available for Android as well. Yeah, that would be my notes and thoughts on Clubhouse. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please share with us down in the comment section. So, see you in the next video, guys. Take care.